Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing an update to my Pan Those Eyeshadows project Pan, and it is a super exciting update. So if you're interested in seeing how I got on this month, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with the most boring eyeshadow, and this is my Kylie Cosmetics the bronze palette, and I'm working on the shade Topaz, which is this guy right here. As you can see, and as you will be able to see in the pictures, I have a good bit of a good dip going on in this eyeshadow, but as you can see from the beige shade, those pans are quite deep, so I don't think I'm there yet. I don't think I will be there next month, but I do think in 2 months time I will be able to finally hit a pan. This shadow was rolled in last month, so over the last month I had used this shade 20 times to have this dip going on, which is super great. So yeah, this unfortunately is still staying in, but sure, what can you do? That's not, it's a good shade. It's a good transition shade. So let me just give you a swatch. So as you can see, it's just a simple kind of neutral brown transition shade. Nothing more to add. And I guess now going into the more exciting, oh sorry, this is moving, I'm just trying to clean off my finger. So now into the more exciting update. Let's start off with this one. This one has been in this project for a couple of months now, I think 2 or 3 months, and I was working diligently to hit pan on this. So when I show it to you now, as you can see, I have a beautiful pan in this eyeshadow. Oh my god, it was an absolute torture. Maybe not torture, it's just that this shadow in particular is so hardly pressed that it's just, it was, you know, taking ages to use up. I actually used it in my brows a couple of times, but it was a little bit more warmer than I would have expected, you know, or than I would have liked in my brows. So unfortunately that didn't work out well, but I did use it 2 or 3 times in my brows. So overall I had used this eyeshadow 31 times to hit pan, and since last update it took me an additional 4 times to hit pan. So you know, I was nearly there but not quite. So yeah, 31 times to hit pan on this sucker, whereas this one took me like 7 or something like that, because it's so much more satin, so much more kind of just airy, you know, so it was easier to hit pan on the other one. But this one, god, 31 times. So let me give you a swatch of this guy. So it is just a really dark brown kind of shade. So this is what it looks like. It's super matte. It's a nice kind of, you know, deepening shade, let's say, but yeah, I'm happy to see it you know, gone out of this project now. So yeah, that means we will be rolling in a new shade instead of the Virgo shade in the Zodiac palette. And then next up is my Makeup Revolution. This is the Mermaids versus Unicorns palette, and I was working on the shade 9. And when I show it to you now, as you can see, I have pan also. I am so excited, you guys. It actually didn't take me long. These pans are not deep whatsoever. You will see in the pictures that, you know, the dip is not that deep. So yeah, I'm quite happy that I have hit pan. But let's talk numbers. Overall it took me 17 times to hit pan on this eyeshadow, and it took me an additional 5 times since the last update to hit pan. So I used it 5 times this month to hit pan. But yeah, I really enjoyed this shade. It's it is one of those sequin formula, so it is a matte with glitter in it. So, you know, I was sort of using it as a matte rather than a shimmer, because the shimmer just blends away into nothing. So I was using it as a matte, and here is that shade over there. So it is a lovely kind of muted eyeshadow. Don't mind that it's gone. So that means, again, oh, I almost hit myself in the face. That means we will be rolling out 2 eyeshadows to add to my color story, and the Kylie one is still staying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the side a little bit, and I'm going to start screen recording so that you can actually see how, you know, how I choose my products. So let's go back to my spreadsheet. I have it all prepared. I have 337 eligible eyeshadows to hit pan on. So now I am gonna go into my Pretty Random app, and I'm gonna choose 1 through 337, right? Just to double check, 337. And I am going to generate 2 numbers. So the first number is 282, and the other number is 73. So let's check out on camera what these numbers are. So 282, oh, I am so excited, you guys, it's just incredible. 282 comes from my So Jaded palette. This palette has been in this project like twice already. Okay, Alexandrite. I think it is some sort of a purplish bluish sort of eyeshadow. That's okay. Alexandrite, 282. And then number 73. 73 comes from my Sleek Also Special palette, and it is the shade 9. Now I have no idea what that shade is, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to dig those eyeshadows from my collection, and I will show you and swatch them for you. Okay guys, so I have my palettes here. I haven't seen what these shadows look like, so I'm just going to, you know, check it out here with you on camera. Okay, so the first number we rolled in was 282, and it was the shade Alexandrite from my Colourpop So Jaded palette. And as I thought, the shade Alexandrite is this one right here. So is this one of those satin sort of shades rather than it being very metallic? Yeah, unfortunately it is, but it's another purple, so I guess we're working with another purple. So this is what it looks like. I guess you'll be seeing a lot of purple eyeshadow looks from me in the next month or so. Now I wonder, oh, maybe I'll be able to use it in the same way as I used this guy, which is Amethyst, just with a fluffy brush, you know, all over the lid. We'll see, we'll see. I had used this shade maybe once or twice, so there's no real progress on it, so yeah, guess we're just gonna work on that. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. We'll see how it looks on the eyes. Maybe it is maybe it looks nice on the eyes. The next number was number 73, and it came from my Sleek Also Special palette, and it was the shade 9. So shade 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, very nice. So it is this shade right here. So it is just a really lovely kind of crease transition shade. Wow, I was not expecting that. So it is a bit warmer than the Kylie shade. So it is this one right here. So I guess I could either use them interchangeably or together, I guess. Not quite sure, but I was not expecting to get such an easy shade. So I guess, yeah, I think I'm gonna hit pan on it within the next month, because these pans are not very deep. So yeah, I think I will be able to do that. So this is the color story we're working with. So 2 mattes, 1 shimmer slash satin sort of shade. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I know the Kylie one is going to take at least 1 if not 2 months, and the sleek one we should be done by next month. I'm always so excited to film these videos. Also, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, this project was created by Alexi. I will leave her link. I will leave a link to her channel down below. She's participating in this project this year, which is always super exciting. So all the information will be down below. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.